Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on the Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you which relays guys you need to check for the radiator fan. Okay, which relays control the radiator fan. So if you have problems with your radiator fan or the car overheating guys, check those relays. Also there are a few fuses as well, and the video is on our channel guys. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car guys, and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need in return guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please drop a comment below. Anything, just let us know what you think about the video, if it was helpful, if you have any recommendations. Your feedback guys is highly appreciated. So this is a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should be the same for the whole generation. We have the radiator fan out of the car. We're doing quite a few repairs here. So all that will be on this channel. The electrical videos will be on this channel, and the mechanical videos will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Please subscribe there for more videos. First guys, we need to go ahead and open the hood of the vehicle. After you open it, support it. Okay, right there. Now, this is guys the fuse box here. It doesn't matter if you have a 1.8, 1.4 engine, the procedure is the same. This is the fuse box with the fuse box cover. We need to remove that cover to get to the relays, and actually I think there is like 5 relays for that radiator fan. Okay, right here. So first now, we need to go ahead, remove 1, 2, 3 clips guys, push towards each other, pull up this side, then this, and the cover comes out. Okay, you can see just like that. Now the relays guys, okay, that we need to check. We need to check first guys relay number 3. So this is a very little relay. Okay, it's U micro relay right here. This is relay number 3. This is one of them. Okay, you just grab it and you pull it out guys. Okay, sometimes they will be really stuck. All the relays that we remove and we replace today guys will be listed in the description of the video below, and see where we buy them for a really good price. So we're going to get this one. Okay, push it back in. This is one of the relays. Okay, it goes only one certain way. Perfect. And now guys, we need to check relay number 9. Okay, this is relay number 1. This is a big relay right here. Also, another relay for the radiator fan is relay number 10. 9 and 10 guys, right here. And then you have relay number 12 and relay number 13. 12 and 13. So, all the relays for the fans are as it follows. This one, this, and this. Check all of them guys. All that will be on the channel. We'll guys have a video how to test each one of them, okay, because those are pretty big relays, so they differ a little bit compared to the small relays. So we have a video on the channel that will explain how to test the relays, so please check it out. Also, you'll be able to find them listed in the description of the video below. So if that doesn't fix the problem guys, we have more videos that explain how the cooling system works, how the fan works, and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.